Okay, but we are diving straight in. This is actually one of my favourite items in the show. I'll tell you why. So I get those meal delivery where you cook everything from fresh, but they send everything, but it's always based on 2 people, and I'm just cooking for myself. So I cook one meal, and then I have that same meal the next day. Now, in the old days, we could just plate up a meal, stick it in the microwave, heat it up, but sometimes the food touches and some things, you know, it doesn't heat the right way. Take a look at this from LocknLock. You're getting a set of 4 of these divider plates with the vented lid. The QVC price on this is $29. That works out as $7.25 a piece, and you're getting 23 cups of storage because you're getting that set of 4. You notice this is your little vent here. It tells you to push. And let me just show you inside. So I'm going to take off the lid. Oops. And there you go. So, I mean, I don't know about you, but over the holidays, I ate turkey dinner. And after Thanksgiving, the turkey leftovers from friends for about 4 or 5 days in a row. And this is the great way to do it because everything, whether it's the meat and the gravy or the veggies, similarly, if you are, you know, you're in January, you're sticking to your goals, you want to have the carrot sticks, the celery in the fridge, you can do that all in here. This is what you're getting, the set of 4. Let me talk you through colours because this is the other thing I think you're going to love about this. January can be a bit dreary. This is all about having bright colours in the kitchen that are really going to look as delicious as the food that you're going to put in them. So come with me. These are the colours. So we have, this is the clear spearmint. Oh, I'm not sure if I'm going the right way. Oh, no, wait. So this is... This one is spearmint. Then we have red. Then we have slate. This is denim blue. Then we have pear. Then we have pear. Then this is pear. This is watermelon. This is coral, pink raspberry, lemon, and then ice blue. And then if you just want something completely neutral, maybe if you're thinking that you want it to pair back with stuff that you already have, then we also have the clear. So that's the most kind of simplistic colour. But if you really want to add in that pop of colour, then choose one of the colours. Joining us is Janine Ferrillo. Hi, Janine.
Hi, Sam. So nice to finally work with you. How are you?
Yeah, well, excited to work with you because you've got a 70-year legacy as a family bringing us food, but you're also a hard-working home cook. And I think that's where the real heroes are in the kitchen, when you are cooking, you know, not just for, you know, people who are sending their compliments to the chef, but for fussy eaters having to cook, you know, every single, oh, is it that again? So we salute you for your cooking.
That again, exactly, you know, so it's always so hard to figure out what's for dinner. But then when you get a good dinner and you have those leftovers, this is a really great way that you're able to store them. So what we did here was we gave you that divider, that 4 divided sectional right here, right? So you have 4 sections in here, which is really nice. And we married that vented lid. What that does is that allows the appropriate amount of moisture to cook through and heat your food up. And then when you push down that vent, it allows that steam to vent out properly. So that's really nice. And it also acts like a splatter guard, so you're not constantly cleaning out the microwave. So this is perfect for heating up your food. And then look at that. That's so beautiful, so much nicer than putting this on a paper plate and then covering it with plastic wrap, right? We don't know what that's all made of. So I love that now you have your dinner. You could do two sections the same. I have a short rib ravioli, or I'm sorry, gnocchi that I made the other night, and then some green beans and a piece of garlic bread in here. So if you have people in your home that are picky eaters, maybe they're just a bit particular, it's really nice because you have no food touching on this. But I'm going to put this in the microwave. I'm going to pop this lid back on, and then Sam, it just says push right on that vent. We make it really user-friendly. My microwave's down here, so I'm just going to pop this into the microwave for a minute and show you some other uses for the way that you can use this if you'd like.
So Janine, quick question before you move on. So we're pushing the vent down so before we put it in the microwave.
Absolutely, because if you don't, it'll suction down and you won't get that lid off very easily. I'll tell you
that's good to know. So, well, as you say, I mean, it says push. It's pretty pretty easy.
No, I'm glad you asked me. Yeah, so you want to push that, then put it in the microwave. And then, of course, with all of our LocknLock, we are airtight, watertight. We're BPA free, so we want you to feel safe heating up in it, eating out of it. Dishwasher freezer safe as well. And then that's that famous seal right there that's put us here now. We are in our 26th year here at QVC. That's unbelievable.
Wow.
And we appreciate everyone for loving us. How about your breakfast, though? Check this out. You've got your mini pancakes, your scrambled eggs, your sausage links, and your little mini bagel in there. You could cut up a normal size bagel and place it in there. I'll tell you what, in the morning, Sam, we are not morning happy people over in this house. Not going to lie to you. So we are always in a hurry. And so I like to put the breakfast in the night before, and then in the morning, my kids can heat it up. This way they have something that's hot and, you know, a nice warm breakfast before they're off to school.
That's so smart. And do you know what? I was thinking this morning because I went for breakfast and I asked for a box and I got one of those cardboard things. It's rolling around on the passenger seat in the car and I have to keep checking it because those cardboard, they never really stay folded. And I was thinking, you know what? Next time I'm just going to bring my LocknLock and just put it straight in there rather than getting a cardboard box, because this is just so much easier. And of course, it's the way I'm going to heat it up as well. So lots of you are loving this clear colour, and lots of you are loving the red as well.
They stack beautifully, and just a couple other little cute ideas that I love to show with these as well. So how about when you have drinks? So it could be adult beverages. It could just be some sweet tea like I have here in my glass. And I have some cut up lemons, limes. I've got the cherries in here. And then I have a jar of olives, and this is not going to be airtight and watertight. So what I like to do is I, pour my olives right into here because they fit perfectly. So now what I've done is I've created this little drink bar, if you will. So I'm able to now, right? I can take my lemons, put a few of my lemons in, and then really quickly, I have the toppings for, it could be ice cream night, like ice cream sundae, or it could be a cupcake. So I have these little brownie bites, and these are delicious on their own, but I've got some wonderful buttercream icing here.
Ooh, yummy.
In one section, and then I've got the jimmies in the other.
Yeah.
Look at this. Hello?
I mean, this is going to make breakfast easy. It's going to make last night's dinner as good as the last night. And you can create a sense of occasion, whether it's doing cookies with the grandchildren or whether it's cocktails or mocktails with the gals. Let me just remind you of the colours again. So this is the clear. Remember, you are getting a set of 4 for that price. Then behind me, we're just going to run through the colours again. So we have the spearmint, then this is the red, then this is the slate, this is your grey, denim blue, this beautiful green is your pear, the pink we're calling watermelon, then this rich coral. This is the pink raspberry, so you've got like a metallic pink, and then the watermelon is more like a matte pink, like a dusty rose. Lemon, and then this is the ice blue. Give us a call to order 800 500 75 90. Everything is shipping for free in this hour, so very exciting. Ships to you completely free of charge. K53198, that is your item number. Oh, now if you are loving